it, pop it. Are y'all popping it? Just make it. Can I pop it too?
Yeah, you can pop it too.
Thanks, bud. Aww. How about that for a fake butt? How about that for a no butt? Wasn't that your mom yesterday saying we have a butt? Yeah. Watch it. That's what she does when she's in the bedroom. Let's say hi to the rest of the people. Say hi, Mama. Say hi, Mommy. Hey, say hi, Cece. Cece. Zoom it. Zoom it. C-Lashay. C-E-E-L-A-S-H-A-Y. Where? My Skype, baby. What? C-E-E-L-A-S-H-A-Y. One too fast. Lashay. Without the E. Okay, we're cooking breakfast. Food is right here. Waffles, bacon, soon to be eggs, and Cece's fingers. Woo! You just right to your mouth. Okay, it's ready, it's ready. Okay. So these are all my best friends. I love them best. And of course, she will put her head right in front of my face. She wanna dance too. Watch. My face that she put there. Well, you know. Ooh. These are the prettiest waffles I've so scrumptious. Don't you wish you had some? Well, that's almost our last one. Oh, last one. Can you get it? I'm trying. Well, this is it. I think we're out of here. Are we out of here? Yeah. Waffle maker. It's official. Go buy one.
No better than it.
Say bye, you guys.
Bye-bye.
Say bye, sis.